what is the output of this particular piece of code. To know that, we will run it in the debug mode. Till we are running it in debug mode, you can try to find out the answer and see if you get it correct or not. So debug mode is on. Now here we see that value of x is 101. Just keep track of this particular area and you will see the value of x and y changes as per the execution on each and every line. So let's have F6 and now you see the value of x is 101, and after this line is executed, at current we are at this particular line, and once it is executed you will see the value of x and y will change. And now once it got executed, this piece of code, the value of x became 102 and the value of y remains 101. And the reason behind that is the value of x, when it is getting assigned to y, then it is x plus plus. That means it is post increment. So it will first assign the value and then increment, and that is why 101 gets assigned to y and the value of y at this line is 101. Once we come out of this particular line, and currently we are here, so the value of x increased from 101 to 102, and that is what is displayed at this place. If you see, the value of x is 102 now, and now we are here, and this will get displayed as the output. So once we execute this one, we are doing y plus plus. So the value of y so far is 101, and again we have a post increment. That means it will first assign and then increment. So at this place the value will remain 101, and once we come out of this particular line, then the value will get increased. So it will print 101 only. So let's have F6 again and see. Now we are out of that and we see the value as 101 getting printed on the console, and the value after it is printed and we come out of this particular line, it becomes 102. And now if you print after this particular line, if you again try to print the value of y, you will see that it will be 102. So this is how it works. Now if you print this one, you will see that it will be 102. Okay, so let's execute once again and see the output. See, for the first one you are getting as 101, and for the second one you are getting it as 102. So hope you have understood how the value 101 is coming for this particular line, and thus our correct output for the earlier piece of code is going to be 101. To get more such updates, please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate.